What if I told you that you could start making real money using nothing but your phone? No job, no experience, no camera, just viral videos, free apps, and 30 minutes a day. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how regular people are earning hundreds, even thousands, a month using this faceless content strategy. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to start from zero today. This strategy is called faceless viral video monetization. You create short-form videos, 15 to 60 seconds, using free clips, trending music, and text or AI voiceover. You never show your face. You post consistently on platforms like Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and you get paid from views, bonuses, and digital product sales. Step one is to pick a niche. You want something viral, emotional, or entertaining. These work best in 2025. Celebrity gossip, motivational quotes, luxury cars and homes, relationship advice clips, AI voice stories. Here's a tip. Pick one, stick with it for 30 days, and post 3 to 5 times per day. Next, you need content. Here's where to get it with just your phone. Use Screen Record on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Download royalty-free clips from Pexels or Pixabay. Download trending sounds from TikTok directly, or use CapCut templates that are already going viral. Always keep your videos vertical, 9 by 16 and under 60 seconds. Now edit using CapCut or InShot. These apps are free and powerful. Here is what to do. Add a 2 to 3 second hook text at the top. Add subtitles using CapCut's auto caption tool. Use AI voice from apps like 11 Labs, Speechify, VoiceOver AI. Use popular voice styles like Morgan Freeman or Drake for storytelling content. Once you edit, post your video to Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. The best posting times, 8 a.m., 12 p.m., 8 p.m. Post 3 times a day minimum for 30 days. Why Facebook Reels is number one. They pay out big bonuses for views, even if you're new. Now here's the fun part, getting paid. You can monetize in 3 powerful ways. Facebook Content Monetization Program. Affiliate links in bio like Amazon. Sell your own product. Example, a $5 to $7 mini ebook or Notion template via Payhip or Gumroad. This isn't get rich quick, it's get consistent fast. Here's what people are seeing. Week 1, 1,000 to 10,000 views. Week 2, first $5 to $20 in sales. Month 1, $100 to $300. Month 2, $500 plus with consistency. Here are some growth hacks. Use trending audio. Study your top 3 competitors. Double down on high-performing posts. So, if you've got a phone, 30 minutes, and the desire to make some side money in 2025, there's no excuse. This faceless content strategy works, and now you know exactly how to do it.